Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all today? Today is 12th of August and I'm here to bring you all some of the midweek reviews in the financial markets that will be enlightening you according to your plan and also to understand what's going on in the financial markets, right? So currencies and equities traded high on the back of better than expected actually economic data and also the reports from Russia that it has won the global vaccine race, right? So while Russia announced the world's first approved vaccine, it has not finished the phase 3 trial, okay? So which is the World Health Organization deems essential for statistical accuracy. There are currently 8 other vaccines in the phase 3 trials from the US, UK, Germany and China. Right. Nonetheless, the pharmaceutical companies are getting close, and the single most important game changer for the global economy could be right around the corner. So you see, having a look at gold, all this while gold has been trending up. Now, as you see, like we have spoken about it before, gold is safe haven. When there are uncertainties, usually the money is shifted into the gold because it's a safe haven asset, right? So now, since there are developments of the vaccinations, all in also now the funders and also investors will be moving out money from the gold, perhaps to buy more stocks or buy some currencies, or to shift their money into cryptocurrencies and so on, right? So we could see that due to these developments, gold had a major sell-up. So you see the persistent gains also, if you see in the stock market, there has been a persistent gain. But if you could see here, we had a bit of correction last night, but it's okay. It's just a retracement, right? So the persistent gains in stocks, you see, reflects the market optimism, and it hopes that medical advances made over the past few months puts the worst behind, like we have been talking about, that the worst is getting over. All right. So now, although the US dollar also actually ended the day lower against other the major currencies, except of the Japanese yen, most of those losses occurred during the Asian and European hours. During the New York session, dollar bulls were back in control. So if you could see from here, let's have a look on. Just wait a second. Maybe we can have a look on Euro USD. As you could see that the dollar's bulls were back and euro started to slide down. It has been a little bit difficult for the forex at all these days due to this development. I believe that the market unconfirmed would be clear and we'll start seeing better setups, right? The dollar actually became stronger at the back of the American session, also stronger than expected. The producer prices helped along with an uptake in the Red Book retail sales and also Friday's consumer spending report. So if you could see here on the weekly development, we had on 1 second. Yep. So 1 second. I need to find the economic calendar. Okay. And also, you see, if you see, having a look at on the bond sides, which was actually primary driver of the dollar gains, and also 10-year treasury yields saw the single biggest one-day rise in more than 2 months, as also S&P 500 was actually testing its highest levels, which is getting close to pre-COVID levels, right? So we had over here, you see producer price index, which was into the green. So there was a little bit of confidence into the strength of the American dollar. Also, the euro continues to be one of the I would say that the strongest currency overall at the early of the week. But the pair did still manage to pull back, and also you see the expectation component of the German zero survey also rose to its highest level. Investors were less confident about the current conditions, but very optimistic about the way the economy is headed, which is testament to the local government of and also the EU efforts. So, for example, for GBP USD, we are expecting for it to start a downtrend, for possibly looking for a bearish or sell opportunity, but it is not a fully confirmation yet. It is still developing some sort of an head and shoulder. So we will see what developments are going to be later on within the day. Right, and this is what we're looking at. Sterling initially stated higher and then actually went down. So all in all, there has been a lot of things going on. We have got Reserve Bank of Canada monetary policy announcement. So let's just see on here. It has been already announced. I believe that they have also saw the latest. This is the initial reaction. It actually jumped 62 pips. Right, so New Zealand dollar also extended losses on the back of these latest developments, as investors wonder how this will affect on the view of the central bank. Right, so all in all, this is some of the updates. Now what we can do is that let's have a look on some of the price action analysis. For the price action analysis, if you could see that euro is developing the trend down, and on euro GBP, and also GBP USD is also developing a bearish momentum. Now we're looking for second confirmation until we go for a sell opportunity on this. But if you see here, this pin bars are bearish signals that a good leg is coming down to the downside. And looking ahead for 1 second, for Dow Jones Industrial Average, wait, it is here. And we could see that some of the stocks had a major correction yesterday, which is retracement, but we are still bullish on this over a period of time. This will be starting its channel up because overall it is in the rising trend line. For Dow Jones Industrial Average, it had a bit of correction, as you could see here, but overall I would see that on a daily chart, see this is a pin bar here. This I see that today it will be making a bit of correction to come down. Then we will see it's rally back to the upside, but it's possible that it can actually retrace until it finds its way back to the upside. Right, so overall it's bullish. Gold, like I mentioned earlier, major sell-off. We had a forecast yesterday on this. So what we can actually do is that on this we can look for opportunities on this, which is here. Okay, so what you can do is that this is a confirmation, broke the support, now any pullback to the upside, right, or you see, let me just give you an idea, any pullback, if it go back and retest, it will be giving you another sell opportunity, but overall it is also developing a downtrend. Right, so anyways guys, this is all for now. We will be back again later with our London session forecast, which will be giving you more reviews, more updates, what's going on in the structure and also price section in the forex and also in the stock market. For now, I'll be signing off and we'll see you guys later. Thank you very much and have a great day.